Hey Kiran, hope you're doing good. First of all, thank you so much for all your hard work and dedication throughout these years for the team. You've been an excellent resource. We will definitely miss working with you. I wish you all the very best for your future and your new company, and you will rock there. I'm pretty sure. I hope to keep in touch with you for all your future endeavors. Thank you so much for all your effort. Once again, stay in touch. Goodbye.
Yeah, hi Kiran. To say a goodbye resource like you, it's very difficult. Uh, During last 3 years, I assigned multiple assignments to you, and you showed an excellent support in accomplishing that. Uh, as per my humble opinion, I feel that your sincerity and dedications are the gold qualities in you. So, and definitely these qualities will be help out you in succeed in your next roles. I really appreciate your support that you provided under my leadership, and wish you all the best for your next role and assignments. Please keep in touch, stay healthy, stay connected, stay safe. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Hi Kiran, hope you are doing good. You are one of the most serious, dedicated and sincere employee that I have ever worked with. तुमची कमी नक्कीच जाणवून तुमची उत्तरोत्तर अशीच प्रगती व्हावी ही शुभेच्छा. Best luck for your future.
Hey, hi Kiran. It's a bit shocking that you are leaving the team. Just keep it short and simple. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Hope you do well and achieve all your goals. All the best, buddy. Yep.
It is very hard to say you bye. I'll be missing very much your company. I know you will be always calling me as a Tamadu. I feel like your own brother is talking to me. I know you are a very kind-hearted person and practical and person. Whenever I ask you any help, you'll be always ready to do for anything. We had many memories in our Pune CDC office. I'll remember all the things, and especially in our weekend shifts, we used to enjoy very much. Be good, do good work, and please be in touch. All the best for your future endeavors. Bye-bye.
Hi Kiran, I come to know that today is your last working day and I have to say goodbye, but it is very hard to say goodbye with whom I have worked more than 2 years in the same company and more than 5 years in another company. So I will be definitely missing my partner in night shift, and keep up growing at the last. Be in touch. Thank you.
Hi Kiran, hope you are doing well. You are one of the best friends, teammates, and mentor in my life. I think we know each other last almost 8 years. Before Cognizant, we worked in Razato. It has been nice experience to work with you. I really appreciate your help and support. All the best for your future journey. Thank you.
So what to say about Kiran? Okay, so when I joined as a fresher, so Kiran helped me a lot in the project. So more than colleague, he is my friend, you can say. Thanks Kiran for everything till now you did for me. You helped me a lot and I learned a lot of things from my side. Thanks for everything and all the best for your new journey.
Hi Kiran, our journey started with long and detailed trainings. Your discipline and management in regards of work is amazing. Can't miss your help on very sincerely, even after your shift time was over. Thank you very much for your guidance and best of luck for your future.
Hey Kiran, it's your last working day today with Cognizant. अगर हम ऑफिस में होते तो we would have a nice party. Your farewell would have been organized nicely, but now it is not possible currently. No worries. we can have a nice party afterwards from you. So yeah, best of luck for your future. It was nice working with you.
Hi Kiran. So when I heard that you have put down the papers, I had kind of mixed feeling. The sad part was that you will not be working with us from tomorrow, and you will always be missed for that. But the good part is that you have got the great career opportunity, and I know that you will make best out of it. So talking about you, is that you are like a happy-to-go-lucky person from our team, and you were always used to talk with each and every person very sweetly and kindly. Even though you had lots of issues in your life, that's why we used to call you Jetalal. But you never talk rudely, or you never show that trace on your face. So I recommend you that be as you are, and we have spent lot of time together, happily enjoying at the desk or even outside our bay. So you will always be missed. So all the best for your future, and hopefully our path may cross, and we will always meet at regular intervals. Thanks. Bye.
How are you doing? Yeah, first of all, my congratulations to you on your new job, new role, and I am wishing you very all the best on that. We are glad. We are very glad to have you in the team, and we are very grateful on your contributions to the team and as well as to the company. Definitely we are missing you, a great human being like you, and the helpful candidate. Whenever we had a situation, you are always ready to carry that. We are definitely missing you. Again, I am wishing you very all the best on the next step of your career, and I am also wishing you the new position that will bring you much happiness and success. Thank you. I look forward to staying in touch with you. Farewell, friend. Bye.